Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I am super excited to get into T.J.MAXX, and what? Did you hear it right? 75% off Rae Dunn. Are you kidding me? So I can't wait to share with you guys what's on the shelves, so let's go shopping. Well, I'm super excited to share with you what I got at T.J.MAXX at 75% off. Now, here in Florida, our stores reopened on Monday, May the 4th, so I was super excited. I knew that I was going to hit Home Goods, T.J.MAXX, and Marshalls, but I decided that I wanted to hit Home Goods first, and I was able to get into that store. I stood in line for a few minutes, but it wasn't a long line. Everybody was able to get in. They opened up at 10 a.m., so I was real happy about that. Everybody's energy was really high. Everybody was having a good time. They were just hooting and hollering and making all kinds of noise as everybody walked through the door to start their shopping. And I couldn't believe all the stuff they had in the store. But anyways, that was my first stop. And then my second stop was over at T.J.MAXX. So I picked up a few things from T.J.MAXX that I want to share with you. Now, I couldn't pass up getting some of the Rae Dunn items because that is also 75% off. Now, normally after the holiday season, Rae Dunn will go 50%. But 75% off was a pretty good deal, and I thought, you know what, I cannot pass it up. I didn't buy anything at Home Goods relating to Rae Dunn, but when I was over at T.J.MAXX, I found this little mug that has a little bunny on top. It says Honey Bunny, and for $9.99 and then 75% off, getting it for $2.50, why not? So I'm gonna put that away for next year, and I'll use that maybe on my coffee bar, but this is really cute, and this is in white. And then I found, they only had one, this one that says Bunny Kisses. Now this is a really light pink color. It's really pretty. And again, $9.99, so I purchased it for $2.50. And it is the mug with the little bunny on top. And then my other item that I purchased was this little bunny here. He's silver on this little wooden stand. And he was priced at $7.99, so this only cost me $2. And I think I bought something over at Marshalls that's gonna match this little bunny here. So that's why I picked this one up. And then another Rae Dunn item that I couldn't pass up, these little stacked books. This one says Happy Easter. Now I could always turn this around and I could do my own stamping on here, which I'm probably gonna do. I mean, I love stacked books. I love to give, in all your displays, you can use these to give your little vignettes some different heights when you're making them. And this was priced $12.99, so I got this for $3.25. And I found one that said, Oh, Hello Spring, which I have one, but I thought, if I could pick up another one for $3.25, I would. But the lady said that that particular one was regular price, since it said spring on it. Well, then I picked up a couple more Rae Dunn items. Now this is the sugar and creamer bowl, and I absolutely love this because this matches my canister set that I have. It's got the little bunny heads on there, and one has little bunny ears. Now this was priced at $12.99, so I purchased this for $3.25. Absolutely love this. And then when I was at the checkout counter, standing in line, I came across the Rae Dunn blankets, and I was super excited when I saw these because I almost missed them. Now these were marked down clearance for $12, but instead of it being $12, the regular price on these are $16.99. So I did ask the manager to give me 75% off. And of course, this should have rung up at $4.25, but he made me a sticker that said $4. So I got me a couple blankets. This one says, Love My Peeps. And then the other blanket that I got says Bunny Love. These are super soft, and I absolutely love the Rae Dunn blankets. And I got 2 of each. And then the other item I picked up was this little adorable little bunny on top, this little butter dish. This is so cute in white, and this was priced $6.99, so this only cost me $1.75, and I absolutely love this. And the last item I picked up was this pillow with the 3 little bunnies on there, really adorable. I have a chair out here in my family room that I can use this on next year. This one was priced $16.99, so I got that for $4.25. So the deals are amazing. I think after I make this video, it just gets me so excited. I think I want to get back in my car and I want to go back to Home Goods and see what else they have. So if your store hasn't opened yet, just be waiting patiently to hit the store, because I'm telling you, the stores are still full of Easter and they're having really good sales. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, happy decorating.